Okay, we're going to change the oil on the little Jenny. It takes 10W30. Here's where the wrench lives. There's the wrench. It's a 12mm wrench. Now bring the camera right down. And we're going to see, can you see that head of that bolt right there? Right there? Because we're going to put that wrench right on that bolt. See that? And we're going to unloosen it. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. We're going to take this can and drain the oil into it, and we're going to undo the little plug carefully, and now it's starting to drain. And while it's draining, I'm taking the little fill plug out, which tells us how full the generator is of oil. Now we're just waiting for it to drain. It's going to take a minute. The oil is dark. It needs to be changed about every 48 hours of runtime, which is, 2 weekends. After the second weekend, you really should change it. It should be a nice golden thick oil. And if you can see the oil dripping by my finger, it's dripping into the can right now. And once it's finished dripping, what we'll do is we'll pour a little bit of fresh oil in the top with a funnel, and it'll flush a little bit of oil out of that cavity. I'm just going to go get the funnel. There's the metal funnel. Note it's not plastic. We're going to undo the fresh oil. We're going to put the funnel in. We're going to just put a little splash in to flush out the reservoir. And then the rest of that dark used oil will be flushed out. It's flushing right now into our can. There we go. We're going to put the little plug back in again. Plugs in. We're going to use the 12mm spanner, the closed end. We're going to put it back up underneath, and we're going to tighten it, righty tighty, lefty loosey. That's done. Now we're going to fill this up with oil. It's going to be maybe about 3 or 4 oil levels like that should fill it, and we'll check the little fill hole. If the oil is running out of the fill hole, it'll mean it's full. Look at that Jenny just suck in that fresh golden oil. That should be approximately enough. Rain. Put the little cap back on. We turn the little switch on so the remote control can start the generator, and that's how you change the oil. Take it easy.